Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing really well and welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video also, I brought some latest job opportunities and recent hiring drives that are going on to which you can apply if your profile matches their job description. And I will quickly go on about the description of the opportunities one by one. And if you want to stay updated with all such information regarding different job opportunities, you may consider subscribing to this channel. And also do share it around with your friends or anyone you know who is looking for a job right now and has the requisite skill set. So this video is definitely going to help you a lot in staying alert with all the recent openings. And also if you're looking for material to prepare for your interviews, this channel also focuses on data structures, algorithms, coding interview problems. So that is definitely going to be really helpful for you in your preparation. So let's directly move on to the recent openings one by one. Okay, so the very first one right now is from Book My Show, and this one is for a product design intern. So this is an internship for product designing. The experience required for this one is from 0 to 1 years. So freshers can also apply. Basically 20 and 21 grads can apply for this one. They mentioned your profile, which is basically what your job profile is going to look like. So you can just read about this once. So this is going to majorly revolve around UI and UX creation with web and mobile applications, then usability testings and impact after the product release, everything related to the designing aspect, UI, UX designing basically. And then they mentioned your checklist. So this is basically the requirements that you should follow for this role. So you must have experience in designing customer facing apps or websites. Uh, if you have something, you can attach it in your resume as well, some project. Then must be proficient in Sketch, proficiency in Figma would be an added advantage. So these are the skills and the tools, softwares that they're looking for. Then excellent communication, able to explain ideas and proactive team player. So mostly the designing aspect of it you should be familiar with. And then they have also mentioned about the stipend for this one. So the stipend that they are looking for is 10,000 per month pre-tax, and they have mentioned that they are preferring candidates that can intern starting from June 21 for a period of 6 months. So this is exactly a 6-month long internship, and 2020 and 21 grads who are in their final year right now can also apply for this one. To apply, you just need to fill this small form, attach your CV, and if you have a cover letter, and then click on this button. That's it for this one. Let's move to the next one. All right. So the next one is from ShareChat, which is a unicorn startup now, one of the recent up and coming startups. This is an engineering internship in the backend mobile and web development. So if you have experience with backend web development or mobile development, definitely do apply to this one. Here they've mentioned internship, but they've written a full-time role here as well. So it's probably a conversion after your internship, a PP or something. And this is going to be remote for the current prevailing COVID times. Otherwise, the off-site location is going to be at Bangalore in Karnataka. About the JD for this one, just go through this once before applying. So to touch upon the major points, looking for passionate, hardworking, talented developer who can build innovative and mission critical system software applications tools. So design, architecture, development of consumer products. You will be responsible for supporting large scale multi-tiered distributed software applications and tools. After that, just some generic points: work in an agile environment and deliver high quality software. So not much has been mentioned, but it's going to be a back-end development role for this particular position. To apply, you can either apply with Indeed if you have a profile, or you can apply directly by using this button. That's it for Share Chat, and let's move on to the next one now. All right, so the next position that we have right now is from the company called Thomson Reuters, and the role is for a software engineer. Job location is going to be again at Bangalore, and the job function department is from the technology division or side. Then about Thomson Reuters, if you want to read a little bit about it, so their legal and research technology team in Bangalore is looking for this particular vacancy. The responsibilities and accountabilities, so they've mentioned everything in detail along with the technologies. So you are required to develop high quality code in Python, Groovy, JS or Angular, and then work with XML content, Lambdas, AWS step functions. Again, Python, Groovy, JS, Angular. Unit test case in the same languages, then actively participate in code reviews, work with AWS capabilities, then maintain and update the Agile or Scrum dashboard. So this might be about the Jira tasks or tickets that you will constantly need to update. After that, understanding the existing functionality of the systems and suggest how we can improve on those. The skills that they require are very strong in object-oriented design, patterns, concepts. So OOPS is going to be very beneficial for this one. Then languages they've already mentioned: Python, Groovy, Scala. Strong in Angular scripting. So Angular JS might be important for this one. Then good understanding of cloud concepts, specifically AWS. Then strong understanding of agile scrum methodologies and verbal written communication. And that's all basically. Desired skills, again, they mentioned somewhat the same technologies. So you can kind of get a hint of what they're looking for this particular role. And this, I think, is an entry level position because they've not mentioned a senior software engineer or software engineer 2 or 3 something. So I think grads from 2021 and below can apply for this one. Students currently in universities will not be able to apply. And again, the job location is going to be Bangalore. So to apply for this one, just click on this particular button and fill the forms. So that's all about this one. Let's move to the next one. Okay, so for the next one, we actually have a hackathon that is going to be held. The date is from 7th May to 9th May. And this is from Airbus, which is a company you must have heard of if you travel in flights or airplanes. So that company is hiring for this particular role through a hackathon. And they have multiple openings. The experience years that they've mentioned is from 0 to 10 years. So with candidates having experience up to 10 years, as well as freshers who've just begun, everyone can apply, and they probably have different openings for different people. They're hiring through an algorithm challenge through HackerEarth, and you can just read about this ones. So candidates up to 10 years of experience and grads from 2020 and 21 batches. So it's nice that they've already mentioned the specific years. And then the top 3 teams are going to receive this cash prize and a chance to get hired by Airbus. Then this is the date when this hackathon was launched. Your registration deadline date is 7th May, and that's where your initial rounds are going to start. Shortlist will be announced on 11th, and then your final rounds, whatever they happen to be. So these are the dates about the technologies required. So they are hiring for a lot of different business units. So because of that, you might not get to know what specific technology your role might be focusing on. But for freshers, I can obviously give you a hint. It's going to be around data structures, algorithms, object-oriented programming, designing, and your core computer science concepts. That's mostly what's going to be asked in your interviews, nothing other than that. Otherwise, they have these different departments for full stack, SQL, and these are the frameworks that they work with, REST APIs, and then these are the languages. So these are the different open positions that they have currently: Java or React developer, a full stack developer, and experience can be any years from 0 to 10. Job location is going to be at Bangalore for all the roles. Again, about qualification, you can just read about this: bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, or any relevant field. Strong knowledge and coding abilities using Java and related frameworks, then cloud platforms, AWS, SQL database knowledge, and then knowledge in test automation, XUnit, Jira, Postman, all of those. Apart from that, basic generic responsibilities about software development. These might make more sense to you if you are experienced and have some knowledge working in some organization. So this is just one of the openings that they have about full stack. You can just click on anyone else. For example, functional design. Again, they have everything related to that. All the job description. Then specific Python developer, full stack developer. You can read about that as well. Then associate systems engineer and SAP engineer. After that, the last one is DevOps and application deployment engineer. So they've mentioned everything in a lot of detail. You can read about whichever one you are willing to apply for. This is something about the company as well if you want. Then these are some guidelines and FAQs regarding this HackerEarth assessment. So they've not mentioned exactly what all is going to be a part of this challenge, but since this is an algorithm challenge, so you can expect coding questions on data structures and algorithms. So definitely do apply for this hackathon, and the date is this one. You can click here to register. And that's all for this one. Let's move on to the next one now. Okay, so after this, we have this opening from CricBuzz, which is a company which basically gives informations and details regarding trivia regarding different cricket news to keep you updated. So they've also mentioned something about it: most popular destination for cricket in India, provides all-round coverage of cricket tournaments around the world and all of that. So they have applications in Android, iOS, and Windows Phone. The role that they're looking for right now is for a Linux and cloud administrator. Job location is going to be at Bangalore. And these are some of the responsibilities. So for this one, automation tools, Ansible, Terraform, even I'm not aware of these. Then Grafana, Prometheus, Telegraph, Influx, troubleshoot and resolve issues in development, fine-tune the servers based on CPU, memory, and network utilization. So this is the specific role, and you are required to work in a Linux administration in production environments. Strong understanding of scripting languages, obviously, Bash, Python, Perl. For Linux, I think Bash is going to be pretty relevant and sufficient. Then strong understanding of current network protocols, design architecture, then deployment and containerization tools, Docker, Kubernetes clusters. Then for cloud technologies, Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, and then SQL, MySQL, NoSQL experience. So a lot of requirements are there. Then verbal and written communication skills. So if you match up to these, and if you want to apply for this one, just fill this form, link your LinkedIn or GitHub profile, your email ID name, and then attach your resume and click on submit. So that's it for this one. They've not mentioned the years, so I'm not sure if freshers can apply. I don't think so. So this is probably going to be for experienced candidates only who have graduated before 2020. So be sure of that. And that's all for this one. And so I also made a video about some of the recent openings last time, probably 2 weeks ago, and a lot of those are still prevalent and taking in applications currently as well. So I've already explained all of those in detail, so I'll just go through them one by one. So let me just start. Okay, now, so for all of these, I've already explained everything in detail. You can watch the previous video that I uploaded, and you'll get information about all of these. I've mentioned everything there. So I'll just take the names once. These are currently opening, and I'll attach these links in the description as well. So first is for ShareChat. This is again for backend role. Next we have for ServiceNow. This is for an associate software engineer. Everything related to this I've already explained and attached the link in the previous video as well. Then the next one is for Optum, which is a part of United Health Group. The role is for a software engineer in Hyderabad. And then the other one is for Publicis Sapient. This is an SD off-campus hiring, which is still going on. This is a form you need to fill. I've explained everything in detail in the last video. And then the last one that we have is from Rockstar Games for a gameplay programmer role. And this is the form that you need to fill. And I'll also attach the link to this one as well. So for the last 4 or 5 ones that I just mentioned, just quickly watch the video that I uploaded last time and go through the details ones, and then you can apply to those ones as well. They are still taking in applications. And these are all the ones that we had for this particular video. And if you want to always stay updated with all such openings, you can consider subscribing to this channel and share it around with your friends as well, if it helps them in these trying times to get a good opportunity. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon again in the next one with more such opportunities and helpful material for your preparation journey.